Hi, I'm Tyler's personal trainer, fitness nutrition specialist, and most importantly, dedicated Christian. I believe a healthy body, mind, and spirit are the keys to living a fulfilled life. And that's why I'm so excited to invite you to my new channel. Here is where I will be sharing my over a decade's worth of knowledge on fitness and nutrition while incorporating my faith into it. Every week, you're gonna find here Bible studies, videos with tips and tricks, all things to really help you with your fitness and faith. I believe fitness and faith go hand in hand, and that's why I'm incorporating them into every single video. So whether you're a true beginner with over 100 pounds to lose or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this is the channel for you. I'm so excited to start this journey with you, and especially to see all the progress and growth you'll make. So if you're ready to take your health and faith to the next level, make sure to subscribe to this channel and join me on this journey. God bless, finish strong, and I'm going to see you in the next video.